Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Rajalakshmi Ramar from Dindigul, Tamil Nadu in the Outstanding Sportswoman category. A dedicated gun shooting enthusiast, her academy has become a beacon for aspiring shooters. Through discipline, accuracy and safety, she has worked with many outstanding athletes. Let us celebrate her exceptional achievements with the prestigious national title at the South India Women Achievers Awards 2020.
Myself Rajalakshmi Ramar, coming from Dindigul, Tamil Nadu. I am running a gun shooting academy, founder of Black Dart Shooting Academy.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the journey of honor, journey of pride, journey of celebration, journey of recognition. Welcome to the South India Women Achievers Awards 2025.